Hi, my name is Andrew McLaren. Today we're going to be talking about AI and where it really struggles right now with like visual information. So this is a question from the AP exam, but it is one of the easiest questions that you're going to see on the AP chemistry exam. Um, it is just a matter of reading a graduated cylinder. This is something that middle school students are often taught, and a high school student absolutely has to be able to do. Um, if you look here, it gave the answer of the reading of the thermometer as 37, which is wrong, as well as 37.0, indicating that it is, you know, 3 sig figs accurate. So it's getting the right level of precision, but the value is off completely. If you look at the scoring guideline on this, what they're giving is 38.5. That is a correct value. If you gave 38.6 or 38.4 or something like that, that is all justifiable. Um, but it is not 37. So AI is really, really bad at reading visual information currently from these types of diagrams. You can also see in a similar fashion right here that these numbers represented in this diagram are not the numbers that it is actually using in the calculation. This is not plus 3. This is 3 point, I'd say 5. Um, and this is not 2, but more like 2.2 or some maybe 2.1 for those different height values that you should be using in these calculations. So you can see that it is quite a bit off on how to get these types of calculations done. Um, just reading simple visual information from a diagram, not to mention making visual representations like force diagrams. That's a whole other beast, which I might show in another video if you'd like.